The Pandas FillNa function is used to replace NA or NaN values with a specified value. The function can propagate this value within a column or row, or replace NaN values with different values based on the column it occurs in. We will create a new script with the pandas library imported as PD, followed by the NumPy library imported as NP. Next, we will create a new data frame called city temps and set this equal to pd.dataframe. Let's say we are tracking the temperatures for two cities, Tulsa and Dallas, for 1 week, but the data is incomplete. We will create 2 rows of data containing temperature values for each city for 5 days. The first row will contain the key of Tulsa with the values 78.5, 80.0, 75.1, np.nan, and np.nan within a list. The second row with the key of Dallas will contain the values 89.5, 92.3, np.nan, np.nan, and 95.0. The np.nan value is used to create a null value in the data frame. Next, we will add the index keyword with a list containing the abbreviated names from Monday through Friday. When the result is printed to the console, we see that we have a data frame with temperature values for 2 cities over 5 separate days. To fill the empty values within the city temps data frame, we can use the FillNa function from Pandas within a print statement. In the FillNa function, we will add a single value, 80.0, and when the result is printed to the console, we see all NaN values from the data frame have been replaced with the number 80.0. As an alternative to providing a specific value to use, we can use the method keyword with the value ffill to tell the function to fill the NaN values with the value above it in the same column. In this case, the NaN values for the city of Tulsa have been replaced with the value 75.1, and the values for Dallas have been replaced by 92.3. Similarly, we can perform a backfill when the value of the method keyword is set to bfill. The result shows the NaN values in the Dallas column have been filled with the value 95.0, but the values in the Tulsa column have not been replaced because there is not a valid value below the row Friday that can be used to replace the NaN values. If we wanted to just fill the first NaN element occurrence in the data frame for each city, we can use the ffill value for the method type and add the limit keyword with the value of 1. The result shows that only the first occurrence of the NaN value is replaced with a forward fill. Lastly, we can specify different values to use for NaN elements in different columns. Let's say we want to fill the NaN elements with the average temperature value for that city. To do this, we will create a dictionary using curly braces within the FillNa function. In the dictionary, we will add the key Tulsa with the average temperature value rounded to 2 decimal places using the np.round function with the np.mean function within it. Within the mean function, we will add the city temps data frame as the first argument and specify the Tulsa column within square brackets, followed by the integer 2 to round the result to 2 decimal places. This will be repeated for the Dallas key and value pair. When the result is printed to the console, we see that the average value for Tulsa, 77.87, has replaced the NaN elements for Thursday and Friday, and the average value for Dallas, 92.27, has replaced the NaN elements for Wednesday and Thursday. For more Python tutorials, like, share, and subscribe to the PyPros channel.